Dogs and humans metabolize foods differently. For this reason, some foods are safe for humans to eat but may be toxic and potentially deadly for dogs. On the other hand, there are many human foods that are perfectly safe and even healthy for dogs to eat as an occasional treat. This video gives an overview of 10 foods and whether or not your dog can eat them. 1. Carrots. Can eat. Both raw and cooked carrots are safe for your dog to eat. Carrots are low in calories and a good source of vitamins, minerals and fiber. This makes them a very healthy food for your dog to snack on. Before feeding carrots to your dog, make sure to cut them into bite-sized pieces to prevent choking. 2. Grapes and raisins. Can't eat. You should never feed grapes or raisins to your dog. Grapes and raisins contain toxic compounds that are harmful to dogs. They have the potential to lead to rapid kidney failure and death. Even small amounts of grapes and raisins can make your dog sick, so it's important to avoid giving them to your dog altogether. 3. Salt. Limit. Salt should be limited in your dog's diet. Excessive salt intake may lead to salt poisoning or water deprivation in dogs, which can cause vomiting, diarrhea, vomiting and seizures. In severe cases, high amounts of salt can be fatal. To prevent adverse effects, you should not feed your dog salty foods, such as chips or pretzels. Furthermore, always make sure your dog has water to drink, which can prevent water deprivation. 4. Peanut butter. Can eat. Peanut butter is a healthy and safe treat for dogs to eat in moderate amounts. However, it is best to limit your dog's peanut butter intake. Since peanut butter is high in fat and calories, it may lead to weight gain if he eats too much. Also, make sure to feed your dog plain, unsalted peanut butter. Peanut butter commonly has extra ingredients added to it, such as salt, which could be harmful to your dog. 5. Eggs. Can eat. Cooked eggs are perfectly safe and nutritious for dogs to eat. One medium egg provides some of almost every vitamin and mineral, plus lots of protein. There are claims that eggs may also help relieve nausea in dogs, although there is no scientific evidence behind this claim. It is important to note that you should avoid feeding raw eggs to your dog. While dogs typically do not get sick from eating raw eggs, bacteria, such as salmonella, can spread from the dog to its human owners, increasing their risk of infection. 6. Salmon. Can eat. Cooked, boneless salmon is a safe and healthy food for your dog. Salmon is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation and may help keep your dog's skin and fur healthy. However, you should avoid feeding raw salmon to your dog. It may contain a parasite that is known to cause salmon poisoning disease, which can be fatal. 7. Chocolate. Can't eat. It is widely known that dogs should never eat chocolate. This is because chocolate contains theobromine and caffeine, two stimulants that dogs cannot efficiently metabolize. If your dog eats chocolate, he may exhibit symptoms like vomiting, diarrhea and dehydration. These symptoms may lead to more serious complications, such as internal bleeding, muscle tremors, seizures and death. Darker and less sweet varieties of chocolate, such as cocoa powder and unsweetened baker's chocolate, are more poisonous to dogs than sweetened varieties, such as milk chocolate. Nevertheless, do not feed your dog any type of chocolate. 8. Cheese. Limit. Cheese is safe for most dogs to eat in small quantities. Due to the fat and lactose content of cheese, some dogs may have digestive symptoms, such as stomach pain and diarrhea, after eating it. To avoid unpleasant symptoms, it is best to introduce cheese into your dog's diet gradually. It may also help to only feed your dog low-fat cheeses, such as mozzarella. 9. Blueberries. Can eat. Blueberries are safe and nutritious for dogs to eat. Blueberries are a rich source of disease-fighting antioxidants and provide a significant amount of vitamins, minerals and fiber, all of which may benefit your dog's health. Moreover, blueberries are low in calories and small in size, making them an excellent health-conscious treat for your dog. 10. Popcorn. Can eat. Dogs can eat popcorn as an occasional treat, as long as it doesn't contain any extra ingredients. Salt is often added to popcorn, which can lead to serious complications if your dog eats too much. Butter and oil are other common popcorn ingredients that are high in fat and may lead to pancreatitis in dogs if overconsumed. For these reasons, it is best to only feed your dog plain, air-popped popcorn. Popcorn kernels are also a choking hazard and may get stuck in your dog's teeth, so you should only provide your dog with fully popped kernels. Conclusion: some foods are safe and healthy for dogs to eat, while others are harmful and could even be deadly. All foods should be introduced into your dog's diet gradually, so you can monitor him for adverse effects like allergic reactions. Even if a food is deemed safe for dogs to eat, a rule of thumb is to feed it to your dog in moderation. This can help prevent weight gain and other negative effects. Keep in mind that all dogs are different. One dog may tolerate a food just fine, while another experiences adverse effects. Nevertheless, it can be enjoyable to give your dog a treat every once in a while. Just make sure to only feed him foods that are non-toxic to dogs. If you have questions about specific serving sizes of foods to feed to your dog, leave in the comment. Thank you and see you next time.